I'm going to talk about occurring patterns. So let's talk about weather warning. There is no weather warning. So let's look at pressure patterns starting from 8 p.m. So it's going to stop by 5 days, like March 27 or 6, 26. So 1028, 1030, 24 millibars of pressure is also 1032. So let's go to the next 24 hours. After that, there is something. 1028, 1024 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. March 25th. So 1016, 1012, 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 8 p.m. There is something. So 1012, 1008 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 1004. So let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. March 27. Last time was March 26. So let's double check. 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to previous hour to double check. So 8 p.m. There is nothing to correct. So let's look at precipitation patterns starting from 2 p.m. Actually, skip 2 p.m. Let's go to 5 p.m. Scarborough, Scarborough, Toronto, Henley Market, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara, Niagara Falls, City, Collingwood, Beatty, Beverly Hills. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 8 p.m. Niagara, Niagara Falls City, parts of Scarborough is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is nothing else. 8 a.m. there's nothing else. 11 a.m. there's nothing else. 2 p.m. there is something. So like I said, OB Whiteton is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters snowfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There is something. Solid Mainland or la line said OB Whiteton Poyos in Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters snowfall. So 8 p.m. So Mainland or la is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters snowfall. So when this passes through, like if the month average temperature rises to close to 0 degrees, so between 5 to 10 degrees, 5 to 0 degrees, that's could be freezing rain. Risk it gets highest. So let's go to next hour with 7 p.m. There's nothing else. Let's go to the 8 a.m. There's nothing else. 11 a.m. There's nothing else. 2 p.m. There's nothing else. 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There is something. So Cobourg, Oshawa, parts of it, Uxbridge. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Niagara, Niagara Falls City. Line said over Thunderbird Solid Bay Mainland is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. So line said Bay Whitetown Boyles in Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunderbird Solid Bay Mainland, Belleville, parts of Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 a.m. There is something. Niagara on the lake. Ports of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 a.m. There is nothing else. 2 p.m. there is not something. Line said OB, Whitetown Boyles in Hanover. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. So, line said OB Whitetown Boyles in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanby, Salaby, Milan, Olala, Beatty, Beverly Hills, Virginia, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Henley Market, Scarborough, Snowfall, Oshawa, Ipswich, Cobourg, Peterborough is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 8 p.m. There is something. Line said obey Whitetown Poyos in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanby, Salary, Milan, Betty, Beverly Hills, Jolala, Scarborough, Stouffle, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Down Toronto, Henley Market, Brampton, Orangeville, parts of Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Peterborough, Belvoir is gonna get some. Hamilton, Oakville, Niagara Lake is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. This 0.25, including parts of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Georgia. So let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. Line said, obey White Town Poyos in Hanover, Bombay, Stanby, Salabay, Milan, Alala, Bayadi, Georgina, Bablasos, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belvoir, Sissaga, Brampton, Toronto, Richard Hills. It's going to get some Oakville. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Niagara and Lake Niagara Falls City. So, Stowful, Newmarket, Orangeville is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Hamilton is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall, including parts of Scarborough and Oshawa, parts of it. So, let's go to next hour, which is 8 a.m. Days, nothing else. 11 a.m. There's nothing else. 2 p.m. There's nothing else. 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There's nothing else. 11 p.m. There's nothing else. So let's look at total precipitation 24 hours starting from 8 p.m. Hobbs Bay, Whitetown, Elgin. Okay, so start holding. So Hobbs Bay 0.5 millimeters. Whiteton 0.4 millimeters. For Elgin it's going to be 0.3 millimeters. Hanover 0.3. Solid Bay 0.3 millimeters. 0.7 Olala 0.7 millimeters. So 0.8. So let's go to 8 p.m. March 25th. So line said obey 0.5 millimeters of rainfall. Whiteton 0.2 millimeters. Thunderbee, Salaby, Midland's gonna be 0.3 millimeters. Salaby 0.4 millimeters. Naga Falls City is gonna get some 0.2 millimeters of rainfall. Cobourg is gonna get some 0.7 millimeters. Peterborough is gonna get some 0.76 millimeters of rainfall. Oshawa is gonna get some 0.5 millimeters. 6 millimeters is Oshawa is gonna get some 0.6 millimeters, and light is 0.2 millimeters. So let's go to next tower, which is next 24 hours, which is 8 p.m. March 26th. So Whiteham 4 millimeters, Wales in Hanover 4 millimeters, Collingwood 4 millimeters, Bombay 4 millimeters, Hobsey 4 millimeters, line says it's 3 millimeters. Solid Bay going to be 4 millimeters, Solid Bay, Thunderbee is 4 millimeters, Midland 4 millimeters, Olala Bay, Georginia, Bavlas is 3 millimeters. Everywhere Niagara Falls 2 millimeters, Hamilton Oakville 1 millimeters, Oakville again 2 millimeters, so the including Mississauga. So Brampton 3 millimeters, Tofu 3 millimeters, Scarborough 3 millimeters, Downtown 3 millimeters, Richmond Hills 3 millimeters, Newmarket 3 millimeters, Orangeville 3 millimeters, Oakville 3 millimeters, Sasha 3 millimeters, Peterborough 2 millimeters, Cobourg 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, Balboa 3 millimeters. So Midland's gonna be 4 millimeters. So let's go to Orangeville. That's 3 millimeters. So let's go to next tower, which is 8 p.m. So everywhere Niagara Falls 2.5 millimeters. Hamilton 4 millimeters. Oakville 4 millimeters. Oakville light is gonna be 2 millimeters. Oakville heavy is gonna be 0.7 millimeters. Mississauga 0.7 millimeters. Brampton is 0.4 millimeters. Orange World 0.5 millimeters, no 4 millimeters. Newmarket, Orange Stowful is gonna be 0.7 millimeters. Scarborough 0.7. Down Toronto 0.7 millimeters. Actually 0.2 is everywhere in Toronto. Actually Eastern Toronto is actually it's gonna get some 0.5 millimeters in Scarborough. Actually 0.2 millimeters in Scarborough. Stowful. Newmarket, possibly even Orange World. So Orange World 0.5 millimeters. Mississauga 0.7. So Peterborough 0.2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 0.2 millimeters in Oakville. Beverly Hills, Georginia, Bayard is going to get some 0.5 millimeters of rainfall. Thunderbee, Salaby 0.6 millimeters. Bombay, Midland is going to get some 0.7 millimeters. Hobbs Bay, Port Elgin, Hanover is going to get some 0.7 millimeters. Whiteton 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. Actually 0.2. 0.2 millimeters in some line Hobbs Bay, Port Elgin. Hanover is going to get some 0.5 millimeters, Whiteton 0.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to a little 0.7 millimeters. Let's go to next tower, which is there is no next tower. So let's go to total snowfall, which is 8 p.m. Watson 0.4 centimeters. Line said OB is going to get some 0.4 centimeters. For Elgin 0.23 centimeters. Hanover 0.3 centimeters. Solid Bayman 0.3. Olala 0.3 centimeters. Uxwich will be 0.1 centimeters. So let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. There is something. 0.1 is in Newmarket centimeters, Stoffel 0.1 centimeters, Uxbridge 0.2 centimeters, Oshawa 0.4 centimeters, 0.4 is in centimeters, Peterborough, Cobourg 0.2 centimeters, Let's go to next tower. Mm, Peterborough is about 4 centimeters. So let's go to the to the belly. So let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. Water 0.1 centimeters. So let's look at air temperature pattern. Water minus 3. Oh, start again. So water minus 3. Line says minus 3. Hobbs Way minus 3. Collingwood minus 5. Boyles at minus 2. Underwood's going to get some minus 3 degrees. Starlight Beach, Dunn Beach minus 2 degrees. Bomb Beach going to get some minus 2 degrees. Midland's going to get some minus 3 degrees. Betty minus 6 degrees. Beverly Hills is minus 6 degrees. Georgina is going to get some minus 4 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 4 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville minus 4 degrees. Mississauga minus 4 degrees. Down Toronto minus 4 degrees. Scarborough minus 5 degrees. Stouffville minus 6 degrees. Brampton minus 5 degrees. Newmarket, Orangeville minus 6 degrees. Uxbridge minus 7 degrees. Oshawa minus 5 degrees. Peterborough minus 8 degrees. Cobourg minus 5 degrees. Melbourne minus 8 degrees. So let's go to next tower. Lula, it's going to be minus 6 degrees. So let's go to 3 p.m. So Whiteham 1 degrees, Langside OB 1 degrees, Boylston 1 degrees, Honolulu 1 degrees, Collingwood 2 degrees, Bombay, Stunning Beach, Midland, Bombay, Stunning Beach, South Bay, Midland's gonna be 1 degrees, 2 degrees. Perry minus 3 degrees, it's gonna be 3 degrees, Georgina 1 degrees, Webley says 2 degrees, so 2 degrees, Olala 1 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is gonna be 1.5 degrees, Hamilton Oakville 2 degrees. Mississauga 2 degrees, Brampton 3 degrees, Dutcher 2 degrees, Scarborough is 1.5 degrees, Stouffville 1 degrees, Newmarket 2 degrees, Orangeville 3 degrees, Uxbridge 1 degrees, Oshawa 2 degrees, Peterborough 3 degrees, Cobourg 1 degrees, Melbourne 1 degree. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. There is something. So Whiteham minus 3, Collingwood minus 1. Boylston minus 1, Ottawa is going to be minus 2. Lionside OB is 2 minus 2 degrees. Starlight Bay, Bomb Beach is going to be minus 2 degrees. Stunning Beach 0 degrees. Midland going to get some minus 2 degrees. Perry minus 2 degrees. Georginia minus 1 degrees. Waverly Isles minus 2 degrees. Olala is going to get some. Olala is going to get some minus 3 degrees. Everywhere in Niagara Falls 0.5 degrees. Hamilton Oakville 0 degrees. -1 is in Mississauga, down to Toronto, Brampton is -1, Stouffville -2, Scarborough -2, 1.5 degrees, Newmarket -2, Orangeville -1, Uxbridge -3, Oshawa -2, Peterborough -3, Cobourg -1, Belvoir -3, so let's go to Oakville -0. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So start White minus it's gonna be 8 degrees. Lionside OB 6 degrees. Collingwood 6 degrees. Boylston minus it's gonna be 6 degrees. Hanover is gonna get some 8 degrees. Beach is gonna be 6 degrees. Solid Bay is gonna be 6 degrees. Thunder Bay is gonna get some 5 degrees. Georginia 4 degrees. Bablas is 5 degrees. Very 5 degrees. Solala is gonna get some 4.5 degrees. Everywhere in Falls 9 degrees. Hamilton 6 degrees. Oakville 6 degrees. Brampton 5 degrees. Mississauga 3 degrees. Down Toronto 3 degrees. Scarborough 3.5 degrees. Stouffville 4 degrees. Newmarket 5 degrees. Orangeville 5 degrees. Uxbridge 4 degrees. Oshawa 3 degrees. Peterborough 5 degrees. Cobourg 2 degrees. Melbourne 5 degrees. So everywhere in Falls 9 degrees. So let's look at Oakville, whatever. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. Whitetown line said obeys 1 degrees, Boyles at 1 degrees, Honolulu is 1 degrees, Collingwood 2 to 4 degrees, Bombay, Thunder Beach, Salaby 2 degrees, Midland 2 degrees, Verdi 2 degrees, Alalas 1 degrees, Georginia is going to be 3 degrees, Waverly is 3 degrees, everywhere in Falls 5.5 degrees, Hamilton 5 degrees, Oakville 5 degrees, Brampton, Mississauga, Darwin, Toronto 4 degrees, Scarborough 2 4 degrees, Stouffville 4 degrees, Newmarket, Orangeville 4 degrees, Uxbridge 3 degrees, Oshawa 3 degrees, Peterborough 2 degrees, Cobourg 2 degrees, Balboa 1 degrees, Oakville 4 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. March 26th. So Whiteham 5 degrees, Lionshead, Bay is gonna be 3 degrees. So Boylston 3 degrees, Hanover is gonna get some 5 degrees. Collingwood 8 degrees, Bombay is gonna get some So Bombay is going to get some 5 degrees, Thunderbee is going to get some 4 degrees, Sotheby's is 4 degrees, Midland going to be 6 degrees, 5 degrees. Olala is going to get some, Olala is going to get some 10 degrees, so it's going to be 8 degrees, 6 degrees, well, it's 7 degrees, so it's going to be 8 degrees, 9 degrees, between 9 degrees actually, 9 degrees, and Olala, Betty is going to get some 10 degrees, Georgina is going to get some 7 degrees, Beverly Hills is going to be 13 degrees. Everywhere Niagara Falls is 12.5 degrees. Hamilton will go for 12 degrees. Mississauga is 12 degrees. Downtown is 12 degrees. Brampton 16 degrees. Toronto 14 degrees. Scarborough 13 degrees. Newmarket 15 degrees. Orangeville 16 degrees. Uxbridge 12 degrees. Oshawa 10 degrees. Peterborough 11 degrees. Cobourg 7 degrees. Belleville 10 degrees. So local. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. 8 a.m. So White minus 8, Hobbs minus 8, Line says minus 7, Boyards minus 7, Otherwise gonna be minus 8. Collingwood minus 8, Sotheby is minus 10, Bomb Beach gonna get some minus 8, 7, no, it's gonna be minus 8, minus 7. Minus 7 is a Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach also minus 8, Midland gonna get some minus 10 degrees, could be minus 10, Olala minus 10, Betty's gonna be minus 9, Georgina is gonna be minus 7, Bad is minus 8 degrees. Hamilton minus 2, Oakville minus 2, everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 1 degrees, Oakville again is minus 4 degrees, Brampton minus 5, Mississauga minus 4, Downtown minus 4, Scarborough minus 5, Stouffville minus 6, Newmarket Orangeville minus 8, Uxbridge minus 7, Oshawa minus 4, Peterborough minus 6, Cobourg minus 4, Belleville minus 6. So let's go to the next hour, which is 2 p.m. Whiteham minus 4, Collingwood minus 6 degrees. Port Austin is going to get some minus 4 degrees. Hanover is going to get some minus 3 degrees. Lineside OB is going to get some minus 5 degrees. Palm Beach going to get some minus 5 degrees. Thunder Beach is going to get some minus 7 degrees. Salt Lake Bay is going to be minus 4 degrees. Midland minus 2 degrees. Solala is going to get some minus 3.5 degrees. Perry minus 2 degrees. Minus 3 degrees and Barry, so Georgina is minus 4 degrees, Babylon is minus 2 degrees, everywhere Niagara Falls 0.5 degrees below freezing. So everywhere Niagara Falls. So Hamilton minus 0, Oakville 1 degrees, Mississauga 1 degrees, Brampton 1 degrees, downtown Toronto is going to be 0 degrees, Scarborough 0.5 degrees below freezing. Stouffville minus 1 degrees, Newmarket minus 1 degrees, Orangeville is going to be minus 1. Uxbridge minus 2, Oshawa minus 1 degrees, Peterborough minus 1, Cobourg 0 degrees, Belleville 1 degrees, Oakville again 1 degrees, so Oakville everywhere is 1 degrees actually, so let's actually go to, there is no next tower, so let's actually go, so there is no next tower, ignore the last one, so this is the end of the video.